Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. So, Bitcoin. Haven't done a video in a couple days because I haven't been doing much, but now we've traded down. We hit this first level back on November 12th, bounced up to rotation zone, rotating back down, dipping below it yesterday, still spiking through the rotation zone, but closing in it. Remember, we judge everything on a closing basis, so even though it spiked through it, never closed above it. Then rotating back down, pretty much spiking below our 84.58 level, but then closing right on it now, giving us the opportunity. We do have a slight divergence here, giving us the opportunity to update our levels. So look at this. Now let's see. So 83.93 is this swing low where we're getting the pausing bar. We've now reinforced the 82.45 level, and then below that 8,096, so essentially 8,100. On any rally, the first level of resistance is 85.50. Next major area of resistance would be 86.50. So those are the two key levels you'll be watching. We might get a little bigger pullback. We are getting a divergence, lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI. So we start watching for a slightly bigger pullback. Let's take a look at the daily. So once it comes up, there's our daily chart. You can see the bigger picture. So this next level down, this 82.45 level, is also where this little swing high was on the candle body basis. So that's prior resistance becoming support. So would not ignore that level at all. Starting now to get the first cross the rotation zone. So based off any rally on the daily, the first area of resistance would be about 87.75, and then we'd be looking at about 8,900. A little pick up in volume on this down move, so this down move does have some legs. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum put up the GAN levels from here, projected from this swing high on the, what day was that? November 6th to the swing low on November 8th. You could have also done it to this swing low. They're close enough, so it wouldn't have mattered. This one was slightly lower. That's why I chose it. Giving us the next levels down, we had the minor level 178.84, major level 177.08, spiking down, hitting just below that 177.08, rallying back up, closing just above the 178.84. So those levels are hit. Now we can move them down since we do have a pausing bar to here. So you have a prior GAN level right here with the rotation zone on the 4-hour, 81.82, first level resistance, and then if we get above that, we'd be looking to return back into consolidation, but this little resistance area here you see on the candle body basis. It's a lot easier to focus on the candle bodies. That's why I use the candlesticks. 183.60 about. So those are your two key levels based off the 4-hour chart. No divergence here. If you see here, we did get a lower low in the RSI. So no divergence to mention there. Let's take a look at the daily chart also for Ethereum. Here is our daily chart once it comes up. So you see, just to keep the bigger picture, we're still in this huge consolidation area. We really need to get a close below about this 177 area, 176.50 to be conservative. 176.50, a close below that, then we'd really start watching for some of these lower levels. But right now, you still got the dip buyers coming in at this key 176.50 area, 177. You can see all the time we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4 times buyers have come in, so there's a fair amount of support. But if that level does break, start watching for some acceleration to the downside. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.